Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you all? Hope everyone is good. Myself Tulu Bhaiji. Today we are going to start a new topic that is from English Unit 5. Topic number 3, a surprise for grandma. So from the topic itself you can come to know there is a surprise for grandma. Grandma means dadi. Okay. So from the picture itself you can come to know this is grandma and this is grandpa. Grandpa means Dadi and grandpa means dada. Okay. Sunday is a holiday. As you all know, Sunday is a holiday. आपको मालूम है सबको holiday रहती है Sunday को. Sohan and Sweetie are going to visit grandma and grandpa. Now who is this Sohan and Sweetie here? This boat. Sohan is the name of the boy and the Sweetie is the name of the girl. Sohan लड़की का नाम है और Sweetie लड़की का नाम है. वो क्या करने वाले हैं? उस संडे को हॉलीडे है तो वो ग्रैंडमा और ग्रैंडपा को मिलने जाने वाले हैं. हेलो ग्रैंडमा, हेलो ग्रैंडपा. वो दोनों क्या बोलते हैं? हेलो ग्रैंडमा, हेलो ग्रैंडपा. ओके. Grandma has been busy today. She has cleaned all the rooms. She has wiped all the windows. Okay. Grandma was very busy today. वो बहुत ही busy थे क्योंकि she has cleaned all the rooms and wiped all the windows. वो tired हो गए थे by doing this all work. Okay. Are you tired, Grandma? Let's give Grandma a rest today. Just sit and have a rest. Now what these both the kids are doing here? What they are telling? Grandma, are you tired? Now you have some rest today. Okay, just sit and have some rest. We will work for you. Come on, Sohan. Come on, sweetie. Okay, now who is telling this? Grandpa. As grandpa also know that grandma was very tired by doing all this household work. So what he is trying to say? Come on, Sohan. Come on, sweetie. Grandpa, Sohan and Sweetie work in the kitchen. They are busy now. Grandpa, Sohan and Sweetie, they all three were working in a kitchen. Okay, now they are all busy. What they are doing? Yeah, they are making the food for grandma. Come to the kitchen. Grandma, come and see. Now what these two kids are doing here? And what they are telling to grandma? Grandma, come to the kitchen. Come and see. किचन में आओ ग्रैंडमा और देखो हमने क्या क्या किए. Oh, soup, sandwiches and salad. What a treat. Now what grandma is telling? Oh, soup, sandwiches and salad. What a treat. Very nice treat. Okay. Grandma, do you like banana delight? Oh, I love it. Okay. So, ग्रैंडपा सोहन एंड स्वीटी ने स्पेशली ग्रैंडमा के लिए सूप, सैंडविचेस और सलाद बनाए थे जिससे देख के ग्रैंडमा वॉज वेरी सरप्राइज. बोल उनको बहुत अच्छा लगा कि हाँ हमारे किड्स ने हमारे लिए ये काम किए. ओके. इसके अलावा भी उन्होंने बनाए थे बनाना डिलाइट. ओके, बनाना डिलाइट बनाए थे तो बोले थे डू यू लाइक बनाना डिलाइट ग्रैंडमा को पूछते आपको पसंद है तो ग्रैंडमा बोलती या आई लव इट. आप लोग को भी पसंद होगा ना बनाना डिलाइट. So that's why grandma was feeling very happy to see all this. Moving to the next page. And now there is a surprise for you. Grandma opened this parcel. Now again they were like the two kids were like they were telling there is a surprise for you grandma. Open this parcel. उन्होंने एक और सरप्राइज दिए उनको जो सब में बड़ा था. ये तो ट्रीट दे के ग्रैंडमा को बहुत हैप्पी हो गए थे ग्रैंडमा कि हाँ मतलब हमारे लिए खाना बनाया आपने इतना सब किए. लेकिन एक बहुत बड़ा सरप्राइज़ उन्होंने लेके आए थे और बोले थे ओपन दिस पार्सल. ये आप पार्सल ओपन करो. आपको भी हैप्पी फील होता होगा ना व्हेन योर पेरेंट्स गिव यू समथिंग स्पेशल ऑन योर बर्थडे और सम ऑन ओकेजन और सम एनी टाइम. तो आप भी हैप्पी होते ना. जस्ट ओपन दिस पार्सल. यू आर वेरी इन हरी टू ओपन दिस पार्सल. व्हाट इज देयर इनसाइड? सो सेम द ग्रैंडमा वाज देयर. वी विल लुक व्हाट इज देयर इनसाइड. Oh, mobile phone. What a surprise. What grandma is telling? Oh, mobile phone. They have gifted mobile phone to grandma. Grandma को उन्होंने mobile phone gift किए. But grandma was like, but she was thinking, okay, grandma, no but now. What the children are telling? No but and nothing. I know your problem. You don't know how to use this, but don't worry, we will all help you. Why the grandma was little bit worried, but because she doesn't know how to operate this mobile. Okay, so Rohan and Sweetie was telling her, okay, please, we don't know, no buts now. Okay, I know your problem is because you don't know how to operate. You don't worry, we will all help you and we will teach you how to operate this mobile. ग्रैंडमा वरीड इसके लिए हो गए थे क्योंकि उनको ऑपरेट ही नहीं करने आता था मोबाइल. तो सोहन और स्वीटी ने बोले आप प्लीज़ बिल्कुल भी फिक्र मत करो, हम आपको सिखा देंगे कि किस तरह ये मोबाइल ऑपरेट करते हैं. ओके स्टूडेंट, सो डिड यू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज़ द सरप्राइज फॉर अ ग्रैंडमा? मोबाइल फ़ोन था और उन्होंने ट्रीट भी दिए. कभी भी अपने पेरेंट्स को, अपने एल्डर्स को, बिग्स को हमें हमेशा उनकी हेल्प करना चाहिए, हमें हमेशा उन्हें स्पेशल वे में फील कराना चाहिए. Okay students, so moving to the next one. Look and say. You have to look the words and you have to say. Has, H-A-S, has. Been, B-E-E-N, been. W-H-A-T, what. D-I-D, did. F-O-R, for. T-O-D-A-Y, today. U-S, us. H-E-R-E, year. S-H-E, she. W-E, we. HOW, how. PLEASE, प्लीज़. हमें कुछ चीज़ चाहिए रहता है तो हम बोलते हैं ना प्लीज़ कैन आई हैव दिस. और ये अच्छा भी एक चीज़ रहती है ना, वेन एवर वी वॉन्ट समथिंग वी टेल ना प्लीज़ यू कैन डू दिस, प्लीज़ यू कैन बाय फॉर मी दिस. ओके, नेक्स्ट वन इज आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चंस. व्हाट इज द फर्स्ट वन इज हियर. So you all know this story very well. So from the questions you will come to know what will be the answers. Okay. Who are going to visit grandma and grandpa? Who are going to visit? कौन visit करने वाला था grandma grandpa को? Yes, Sohan and Sweetie are going to visit grandpa and grandpa. Who has been busy today? So from the story you have known very well. Now who was the busy? Yeah, grandma has been busy today. क्योंकि why? Because she has cleaned all the rooms. She has wiped all the windows. What do where do grandpa, Sohan and Sweetie work? Okay, where do grandpa, Sohan and Sweetie work? Where they work? Yes, grandpa, Sohan and Sweetie worked in the kitchen to make a special treat for grandma. What is the surprise for grandma? क्या surprise दिए थे उन्होंने? What they give? Yeah, a mobile phone is the surprise for grandma. Now next one is, who said the following? The first is, are you tired grandma? Now first understand what is this who said the following. किसने किससे कहा? मीन्स अभी आपको एक सेंटेंस दिया गया है तो आपको बताना है कि ये सेंटेंस किसने बोला था. सो व्हाट इज द फर्स्ट सेंटेंस हियर? आर यू टायर्ड ग्रैंडमा? तो ये किसने बोला था? यस, सोहान एंड स्वीटी ने बोले थे ना आर यू टायर्ड ग्रैंडमा. सो यू हैव टू राइट सोहान एंड स्वीटी. बी, come on Sohan, come on Sweetie. Now who called them come on Sohan, come on Sweetie to make something special in the kitchen? Yes pa. So grandpa told them na come on Sohan, come on Sweetie, and grandpa, Sohan and Sweetie work in the kitchen. Okay. Oh, a mobile phone. Now who told this? Come on, tell me. Now there is a surprise for grandma, so open this parcel, right? So when the parcel was opened, so who told like this? Oh, mobile phone. Yes, grandma. But don't worry, we will all help you. Now grandma was worried about the mobile phone, so who told her, okay, don't worry, we will all help you to operate this mobile phone and all? Yes, Sohan and Sweetie. The last is, how can we keep the following things clean? Now what is the following things clean? Body, clothes, home and school. So students, we have to write this. What are the things that we keep this clean? Means our body, our clothes, our home and our school. What should we do to keep this all clean? As you can see, for the body, you have to bath daily, you have to comb hair, you have to do brushing and you have to cut nails. For this, by doing these things, your body will be clean. And what will be the for the clothes one? Yes, we have to fold our clothes properly, we have to wash our clothes properly, then we have to iron our clothes properly to keep our clothes clean. Same for the home, what we have to do to keep our home clean? We have to do sweeping, dusting, mopping, okay? And again, and for the school also, what we have to do? We have to use dustbin whenever we have to throw something. So we can clean our school, home properly. And by mopping, as you can see, our tai, our moshi, our khala, they used to do now sweeping, dusting, mopping to have a clean school. So students, did you understand what is this all about and what is this surprise for grandma was there? So students, what you have to do, you have to write these question answers in your English notebook and this who said to whom in your English textbook. Okay, only textbook only. And this fifth one also in your textbook. This both you have to write in your textbook and this you have to write in your English notebook. So the answers are attached to this video. So till then, take care, stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.